one friend of mine. I already blocked him because we all we do chat. After that, we do chat. You see, we do chat. Then even I'm sleeping, he called me. He is disturbing my sleeping time. No? It's my sleeping time, and he calling me in messenger. I blocked them. I block him. I block him because he disturbing my sleep time. I don't like that kind of person. That's why I'm not easy to give my number or messenger to anybody. No.